Hello banana growers, welcome back. It is February 19th, 2023. We don't have a lot of activity in our bananas quite yet, but that's all going to change. We've got some 80-degree temperatures coming up here in the next couple of days, and we're going to cut some of these bananas. But first I want to give you an update of what's going on with them. So far in 2023, so everything's still kind of stagnant and not growing. And you can see some of the nastiness that's going on with some of these bananas right now. Look at that. The border lawns are not growing. Really, everything is pretty much, for the most part, still dormant. We lost all of our bamboo. Check that out. Damn. Yeah, even the bamboo has got nastiness coming from it. Look at this orange, gelatinous material coming out of this bamboo. It was supposed to be cold hardy to 16 degrees, but I don't know. I don't know if it's going to come back or not. Anyway, onto the bananas. You can see a little bit of plant pushing up out of this bell banana right here, but really nothing else going on. I don't know, we may be getting a 1/4 inch push right here on these Orinocos. Not much here. This looks like it tried to push a little bit earlier and it didn't make it. I'll have to keep an eye on that one. Over here, some beautiful nastiness. Look at that. By far, of course, the Bazju is doing the best, and that's to be expected. We've even got a little poke coming from these Rajapuris. These are notorious for choking, so I'm going to keep an eye on this, measure it, and then I'll be able to check it coming up on the next update. Looks like coming out of this nastiness right here, we've got a Saba spike starting. And this banana that I chopped in the ice, look at that, it's got almost a foot of growth. But what I wanted to do today is I'm going to cut all these bananas 1 foot, and then next week we will come back after the 80-degree days that we're going to have, and we will take a look and see if we've improved the outlook for the 2023 banana season. This is what they look like. This one looks pretty good. This one doesn't look so good. See that brown in the center there? So this is a view atop the ladder. We finished cutting all the banana plants in February. Well, we've just cut these like 5 minutes ago, and you can see that we've already got like 1/4 inch growth. So I'll give you an update when I finish cutting the bananas down, and we'll see what happens next week.